Hi, I'm Channing from Accucraft, and thanks for joining us today. Today, I want to show you guys some new products that just came in. These are our brass coaches from the J&M Models line that we're producing. On my left here, I have the sleeper car for the Train Bleu from CIWL, the wagon-lit train from France. On my right here, I have the British London South Western Railway Suburban coaches. And so these were made to go with our radial tank, which has been a great success. We're going to open these up. We're going to show you what they look like, their features, and get some nice close-in views of them. They're both in 1:32 scale, also known as gauge 1 scale. And they run on 45mm track. Our coaches feature paper diaphragms and metal springs, or spring buffer, and working spring buffers, and screw couplers, European style screw couplers. So when you put the model carefully on its side, and you put your 2 AA batteries right here, and make sure that it's pushing, fully connected.
In this switch.
And here we have the switch to turn on the lights. Now, we're really proud of the level of detail that these sleepers feature. If you look inside, you have the beds have the wagon-lit logo on them. And then some of the bathrooms have open doors with mirrors. It's pretty easy to take the roof off if you wanted to put your own people inside. You just have to take these 2 screws off. Our sleepers came in 4 numbers: 3534, 3533, 3532, and 3531. Here we have the destination board, the trucks, which are sprung, have roller bearing wheels. Now I'm going to open up the LSWR Suburban coaches. Normally they come in a pack of 4, because a pack of 4 has 2 of the brake thirds, which is this one. And then this is the first third composite, and this is the all third. Third meaning third class. So we'll start with the brake third. Now this is the salmon pink and brown livery, which includes a little Waterloo destination board and double-sided tape to put on. You can see here, third class. This is the ducket for the brake operator. And then here we have a luggage compartment. And now, let's open the next one. This is the first third composite, so it has first class and third class. This is the first third composite coach. We have the first class here, a bathroom, doors, and then right at the end, the third class. Now the last type of coach is the all third, an entirely third class coach. the all-third. Composite, and the breakthrough. So these LSWR coaches are made from etched brass. It's a single piece that goes all the way around. They have the interior benches. The salmon and brown livery feature brown wheels with white tires. They also feature roller bearing trucks for smooth operation, for smooth rolling. Now remember, a 4-car set includes 2 of these. And they were made to go with this locomotive. You can see in real life, if you ever go to England, go to the Bluebell Preservation Line, you can see this train in operation, this Adams green livery pulling coaches in the salmon and pink and brown. As with all our J&M models, these and the European CIWL Sleeper are limited production, and once they're gone, we're not going to make them again. Here we have, again, the J&M LSWR Suburban coaches. And here we have that CIWL Sleeper, British, French, European. These also come in 2 other liveries which are available, which would be the BR Green and the BR Carmine, British Railway. The only difference is that those don't have lettering, and they're a solid color. This, as I said, is our first sleeper, and we're going to be making another, the future cars, which include the saloon car, baggage car, and restaurant car. And those will be coming every few months or so. Once again, I hope you enjoyed our unboxing and close-up view of these beautiful coaches. I hope you stay tuned. We're going to do more product reviews. When we have more J&M coaches, we're going to show them too. And thank you for joining us.